interrupt your normal programming. At 5 o'clock p.m., the silent alarm at Tri-State National Bank in River City was triggered, sending local police to the scene. The bank was held up by two masked gunmen who fled the scene previous to the police department's arrival. Shots were reported fired and several civilian casualties have been rushed to Pike Memorial. Again,
yes, please give me Pike Memorial.
all roads out of Pike County are currently being blocked by local and state police, and we are encouraging everyone to remain in their homes. The gunmen.
Yes, I need to know if Mary Bryson checked in the last couple hours. See, I dropped her off at Tri-State National.
Okay, sir. We still have one ambulance out at the site. I don't know if they want it coming through the system yet. What's the name again?
It's Mary Bryson. It's B-R-I. It's S-O-N.
Yes, sir. Mary Bryson was just checked in. Sir, do you happen to be a friend or family?
Yeah, I'm a friend. Is she okay?
Sir, Mary is listed as one of the gunshot victims from Tri-State. She's just been rushed into surgery. I'm sorry, but there's no more information listed.